What's going on, guys? My name is Evan Rugen. I'm the founder of Let'sGetFunded.com, ScoreShield.com, LaunchZone.com, and a couple other companies you've probably never heard of. Overall enterprise value doing over $10 million a year in revenue. And one of those sources is from Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi, a lot of you guys may know, Acquisition.com, one of the co-founders of School.com, many other things, more so seeming like he's going the private equity route. But he actually pays me over $1 million a year. How is that? Through School.com. School.com is essentially a platform in a scenario like this. Let's say you see this YouTube video. I'll probably put my school link below where you can tap in there and get a little bit more access to me, get a little more value. Because again, I can't answer these 100% in detail. Like, you'll probably watch this video, probably understand 80% of it, but my school community, for me personally, is where I answer that last 20%. On my school community personally, I'm talking about business funding, fixing people's credit, building out your profile, and in general, how to make more money with your money. So Alex Hormozi pays me over $1 million a year at the time of this recording, and I got started in school. I'm gonna share my screen here. There we go. So I got started on school in December of 2024. Ever since that, it's sort of been up and up. And so many people ask me like, yo, how have you gotten to $83,000 a month? How are you climbing to $100,000 a month? How are you doing in total $140,000 a month in MRR? How are you doing $500,000 a month with Let's Get Funded? Here is the small component of the MRR cycle, right? How are we doing $83,000 a month with our school community? Again, receipts, right? Receipts. And if you're not familiar with School.com, this is the platform, right? Let me show you guys something. I'm not even in the top 20 in terms of my category, right? Like, I'm a small fry. So if you go over here, money, right? Quarter, let's go all time, right? So for me to crack the top 20, I need to have $20,000 added to this one community. So one of my big communities does just a hair over 63,000 a month. You can see it sort of climbing month over month over month. You can see back in April of last year, I was at 11,000. Even at that time, I'm like, oh my God, $11,000, right? And then climbing 29, 38, 39, 41, 41, 50, 56. And I have this other small community that I just started. It's significantly smaller. They get a little bit less access. It's a different community entirely. I started it 4 or 5 months ago to show all these people like, hey, it wasn't luck. I can do this over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. And now I sort of partner with people in my inner circle, in LGF Gold, which is sort of our higher package. I work with them directly and help them scale their own school communities. But let me go back to the 7 sort of takeaways I've gotten of how I've gotten to $1 million a month with my school community. Now, again, just to put some things in perspective, all these numbers aren't relevant to you guys, but you can sort of see my school community is growing. Right now, it grew from January to Feb, it grew 4,000 or 3,000. And then we actually had a really big month. We grew 8,000 from February to March. I'm thinking that same momentum is going to keep up. We're going to go from 64 to 75 in April. And again, the time of this recording is March 28th, 2026, which is crazy. Now, I will say, in addition to the School.com, which is, again, the way I treat it, guys, it's an incubator of value. People only upsell when they get value from the first thing, right? So let's say you have a high ticket offer and you want to have them buy another thing. Don't give them an ebook. You have the best ebook of all time, but they'll probably never open it. 90% of people never even open an ebook. So with School, it's very hands-on. You can sort of meet the owner. You can see what he's about. You get a little more access to him. So I use it as a great incubator for them to buy the next thing. And again, like sort of the game I'm playing is you can see the MRR, total MRR growing month over month. January, it grew 12,000. February, it grew 10,000. March, it grew 20,000. Next month, I expect it to grow about 22,000. So I continue to make money in my primary business, but simultaneously, a lot of people that maybe can't afford my high ticket items, this is a great place for them to start. So let me go through the 7 ways that I have gotten to $1 million a month. I wish $1 million a month, $1 million a year with my school community, right? Number 1, show up for your community. We're in an increasingly divided and phone addicted world, and you just show up to the calls and you connect with these people. You connect with the people that show up to your school, that are paying their hard-earned money, right? And they appreciate that, right? They appreciate that. I almost had a guy tell me the other day, he's like, yeah, I just show up. Like, I have a Wednesday call, for example, in my community, and he's like, yeah, I just treat it like a TV show. I'm like, okay, that's interesting. Like, I'm your pay-per-view. He pays me $97 a month just to watch me yap, about funding, about credit, about making more money in your business. But that's how a lot of people treat it. They're like, they know every single Wednesday I come on at 5 o'clock and spit game and give value. People have told me, like, I have a calendar set up on my Gmail to know, like on my Google Calendar, to show up at 5 o'clock when you speak on Wednesdays. So number 1, show up for your community, right? Number 2, it's never going to be perfect. I speak to so many people that are about to start their school community, and they look at mine and they're like, oh my God, you have so many videos, blah, blah, blah. The truth is, like in the classroom section, very few people actually make it to the classroom, like actually, absorb a lot of this content, right? Maybe 15 to 20% of people actually go through this information. But largely, they're more commonly going to show up in the community. Maybe they'll check the calendar. They'll see what's going on. We actually have 5 calls a week, which is crazy. But maybe they'll just like show up here and ask some questions. But I have so many people come to me, I don't want to launch it. It's not ready. It's like, yo, you see mine as the complete product doing $63,000 a month. It wasn't always like that. When I launched it, they were getting, I don't want to say less value, but I was learning as well. I didn't know what to put in there. So as time has gone on, I've added more and more and more videos, and it's really a library. And again, what you sort of want to create with your community, you want to create that layer where they're like, yo, I want to always have access to this information. It's like a gym membership. Like, I could cancel it, but then if I want to go check up on it in 4 months, I'm like, damn, I have to pay again, right? So people just like stick in it. And another really important thing that I actually don't have written here, I'm going to add it as a bonus, right? So what does that mean? You want to get them a win as soon as humanly possible. Let's say they don't know you. Maybe you watch this video and you join my school community. I onboard every single one of my customers. I help them fix their credit. I help them get a win within the first 48 hours of them being in their community, whether it's a small deletion. We remove one of their inquiries. We update their personal address. I need to get them some type of win as soon as humanly possible. So then they're addicted. They're like, wow, this is incredible, right? And again, like, if you can get that first win in month 1, they're much more likely to stay in your community, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even 3, 4 years, That first month is when they are most likely to churn. If they make it past month 1, they probably will be there month 3, month 4, month 5. You just have to continue to add value. So that's a little bonus one. Month 1 is when your customers are most volatile, right? Just to go back to that original point, it's never going to be perfect, right? I see people that never start, never get off the ground. You say, I need to, this is a really big undertaking. I just got off a call. It's a really big undertaking. I have to film so many videos. Just get in front of the camera like me. It's not going to be perfect. People appreciate the authenticity. Jump on there, record 5 videos for each section. You have 3 sections. You have 5 videos in total for whatever you're talking about, right? How I do it is how to fix your credit. Okay, level 1, how to build out your file, level 2, how to get access to 0% business funding, level 3. And now I have hundreds of videos seemingly, but when I started, I probably only had about 5 videos. But again, like, just start putting it out there, okay? Level 3, promote your people. If someone's commenting a lot, if someone's showing up to every call, yo, shout to this guy, shout to that guy. We even have a free group where I've promoted a lot of people that are really contributing in the free group. Like, yo, jump into the paid group for free, for life, because you're contributing so much, and they're going to be your best friends. They're going to love you. So promote your people, especially very early on. It's like a train, and now it's like full steam ahead. Like, if you go over to my school community, again, like, no one wants to show up to a party that no one's at. You can see, like, 52 minutes ago, 7 hours ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago, this guy's pumped, we got him funding. 1 day ago, 2 days ago, so there's a lot of velocity in here. So you want to promote your people that are, like, especially very, very early on, that are like really, really commenting, really talking. We really want to promote that person, okay? 4, like I was just saying, no one wants to show up to an empty party. So like, I've seen people, and this is what I did, I ran ads to this first. I got about, I think it was like $7 to $8 cost per lead, cost for booking. The first 500 people, I just threw them in there for free, right? They didn't get the free credit repair, but they're just in there sort of chatting, talking. They show up to my first couple of calls. So put a little ad spend behind it. Throw $500, throw $1,000, and get the party rocking. Because again, like, your first 10, 15, 20 people in your community are going to be the most difficult. So like, get some people in there by any means necessary, even if it's for free. Make it for free first and then change it to priced, add a price point to it. Maybe after what I did, after I had 500 people, then I put a price point on it. Level 5. You are the expert, and this is sort of a double one, and money is only an issue in the absence of value. So again, I see a lot of people. I was talking to this guy, he's like an expert plumber. I'm like, bro, I don't know how plumbing works. You press the fucking button and the shit goes down the hole or whatever. Pause. Same with so many industries. You could be a sock folder. You could be a journalist, right? You don't realize how much more you know than the average person, right? Unless it's like one of the most common skills ever. But like, in general, you're going to know more than 90% of people, as long as you put in the work and you're the industry expert. So like, remember that. And again, so many people are like, I don't know what should I charge. I should know. I'm like, well, how much value are you giving? If you're not giving that much value, yeah, maybe start with a $20 community, $30, $40, right? I've seen people do $1,000 a month, right? I do 97 because, again, I do it as an incubator for the next level where they start here and then they can go for funding with me. They can go to my high ticket business funding mentorship where I show them how to make $500,000 a month. It's really an incubator. And again, it just filters out so many people so I know who is serious about leveling up and who's going to stay in the free group, right? Number 6, people only buy when they have gotten value from the first thing. Like I was sort of saying earlier, I see people all the time, oh yeah, get my free ebook, it's a lead magnet. In the words of Alex Hormozi, you give the pretzels away for free so they buy the water, right? Like you give the pretzels away and they're thirsty, give them the water, and then they buy the water. It's the same thing here. When they pay $97, so many people are like, dude, I can't believe he's giving away data points. This is incredible. Wow, this is awesome. They're a lot more likely to buy the next thing from me. And they're a lot more likely to not churn and stay in there for a very long time. And then finally, number 7, show up to a call every week at the same time. Like, let your people know, like, I'm showing up at this call. Like, I have a call every Wednesday at 5 o'clock. I've probably missed maybe 5 times in the last year and a half. And do I want to show up every single week? No, I don't. And they're like, oh, what's your topic? I'm like, I just get on there and talk about credit, open forum. Like I think of like a little something. Like last week, I talked about the organizational structure of my company. The week before that, I think I talked about how to get business funding with poor credit. I set the expectation that, your first week, you're going to jump in the call and you're just going to be playing eye tag with yourself. Nobody's going to show up. Right? No one's going to show up to that call. The next week, maybe one person. The week after that, maybe 2 people. The week after that, probably back to 1 person. Then the week after that, maybe 4, then 7, then 11. I'm on calls now where I know without any promotion, you're just like, I'm jumping on at 5 o'clock. 40, 45 people will show up every single time just to hear like what I'm talking about, which is crazy. It's awesome. And again, think to like add value, connect with your people, see who's showing up every single week, and just continue to pour into your community. I also definitely advise to add an in-person component. Like for example, it's late March 2026. I'm announcing a lot to my inner circle, like, we have an in-person event coming up, May 15th, 16th, 17th, pull up. And again, it's additional charge, but you get a chance to meet a lot of these people in person. So yeah, that is my high level. There's another 7 that I can think of off the top of my dome right now. I'm going to save that. I'm going to reserve that for my inner circle. I'm going to reserve that for LGF Gold, right? Because they're really tapped in with me. That's sort of my high level mentorship where I show people how to get to $500,000 a month with their credit and funding business. This should get you very far in terms of scaling your own community, whether it's a bike community, a water community, a credit community. And of course, shout out to this man, this like Metro lumberjack, for paying me $1 million a year, which is insane. And again, like jump over to one of my communities. You can really scale when that money's coming in every single month. How do I go to the payouts, right? Like every week, like 14, 10, 15, 10, 12, 9, 8, 11. You can really scale when you know where the puck is going. Like when you have an idea roughly of how much money is coming in psychologically, it's a lot easier to spend on research and development and running ads and stuff like that because you know for sure that money's going to come in. And number 2, it's just like a better, safer feeling. That was my 7 tips on how to get to $1 million a year with your school community. Again, shout out to Alex Hormozi. My name is Evan Rugen. My channel is Bowery Boy. My biggest company is letsgetfunded.com. And I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.